the trigonometry. Is the trigonometry nothing but the word trigonometry is derived from the three Greek words. Tri means three, gonio means an angle, metron means measure. Okay, the trigonometry nothing but the word trigonometry is derived from the three Greek words. Tri meaning three, gonio meaning an angle, metron meaning measure. Okay, the basic task of trigonometry, it is the basic task of trigonometry is the what is the importance of trigonometry. The basic task of trigonometry is the solution of triangles and finding unknown quantities of the triangles from the given value of the other quantities. Okay, the trigonometry basically the solution of the given triangle, we find out unknown quantities of the triangle. What are the unknown quantities of the triangle? For example, if the given right angle triangle, the two sides are given, we find out other sides. Okay, that is the finding unknown quantities of the triangle from the given values of other quantities. That is the main the study of trigonometry. What is the importance of trigonometry? Is the study of why we study the trigonometry. What is the importance of trigonometry? The study of trigonometry is of the great importance in several field like in surveying, astronomy, navigation and engineering. The study of in recent times trigonometry is widely applied in many branches of science and engineering. In recent times trigonometry is widely applied in many branches of science and engineering, such as seismology, design of electrical circuits, estimate the heights of field in the ocean, etc. It is the importance, the trigonometry is the importance of several fields like surveying, astronomy, navigation. Importance of trigonometry, the basic importance of trigonometry, it is the who is the father of trigonometry? That is the Hipparchus. The father of trigonometry is the Hipparchus. Now we discuss about the angle. We know what is the angle. The amount of rotation of the moving ray or with reference to fixed ray is called an angle. An angle is usually denoted by the theta, alpha, beta, etc. Okay, now it is the one ray, it is the another ray. The intersecting point, it is the vertex, it is the forming the angle. With angle we denoted as theta, alpha, beta and etc. Now in this ray we called as fixed ray or initial ray. In this ray we called as terminating ray or moving ray. Okay, the amount of rotation of the moving ray, with the reference with the fixed ray is called an angle. An angle is usually denoted by the theta, alpha, beta and etc. The terminating ray is, the rotation of the terminating ray is anti-clockwise direction, then the angle is recorded as positive, if the moving ray or terminating ray in this direction, the anti-clockwise means it is the clock opposite direction. It is the anti-clockwise direction. If the rotation of the anti-clockwise direction, then the angle is recorded as positive, the anti-clockwise direction. if the rotation of the terminating ray is anti-clockwise direction, then the angle is recorded as positive. Then the angle is recorded as positive. Okay, in case it is the before anti-clockwise direction, means the angle is positive. If the rotation of the terminating ray is clockwise direction. What is the direction? Clockwise. If the angle, it is the fixed ray, it is the moving ray. Clockwise direction, it is the clockwise direction. If the clockwise direction means, then the angle is recorded as negative. Is the negative direction. When it is the negative clockwise direction, if the rotation of the terminating ray is clockwise direction, then the angle is recorded as negative angle. If the fixed ray and terminating ray, if the rotation of the clockwise direction, then the angle is negative angle. Okay, anti-clockwise direction means positive and clockwise direction means negative. Okay, that is the main, it is the basic 2 points is very basic important. Okay, now units of measurements of angles. For measurements of an angle, there are three systems. They are, okay, first one is the sexagesimal system, the centesimal system, or French system. In this system, the radian or circular measures. Okay, units of measurements of an angle. For measurements of an angle, there are three systems. One is sexagesimal system or English system, the centesimal system or French system, the radian or circular measures. Third one is the radian or circular. It is the majorly the basic, it is the three systems are units measurements of an angles. The units measurements of an angles.